What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Right now it is pretty early. It is 7:50 in the morning, and right now we're headed to a Cars and Coffee. The homie Mark invited me to go out to this Cars and Coffee because he's one of the hosts there. So Mark has a company called CSL, I believe, or SCL Performance. Yeah, I think that's what it's called, SCL Performance. And it's him and a lot of his other friends that are like, or owners and all that are part of it. But yeah, he invited me to go out to this Cars and Coffee because his group and Dinan Performance are doing like a collab. Should be sick. I guess Dinan was out of the scene for a little bit, and now they're making a return with like the G80 chassis. They're gonna reveal the car, I believe that's what they're doing. But yeah, decided I'm gonna go pull up, show some support to the homie. And yeah, but dude, last night it was probably like 11, maybe 10:30, where I was fixing my car, trying to get this headlight fixed, and it was fixed for a minute. And then this morning, as I started up the car, the headlight literally went out. The DRL does not want to work, so I always have to mess around with the wiring, make sure it's all good and it's not moved around. But today just was not happy. It was working for a bit and then literally just went out. That's pretty annoying. So it is what it is. I'll fix it when I get home. But right now I gotta go fill up on some gas because your boy is very low on gas. And then we'll make our way over there. It says we have like an hour drive, which I don't like, but we go out there and show support to Mark, you know, because he would do the same for me. Yeah, so let's see. We're filling up right now, but let's see if this headlight's still out. So my left one works, and yep, see what I mean? It's like very dim too, which is very annoying, but I did not want to fix it this morning. I was like, let's let it be. So I'll fix it when I get home. I don't got time for it right now. All right, y'all, so we just finally arrived to the car meet. And yeah, so Dinan is the booth over there. That's where Mark's basically held up at, or posted up at, I should say. Clean F80 right here, all white on the triple chromes with the chrome cage. All right, there's gonna be a lot of BMWs here too. As you guys can already see, F80, G80, another F80, white on white. This shit's clean. I love the white on white look. I think it's tough. M2, damn, with the painted carbon hood, and the HREs too. Yeah, this shit's nice. Very clean. Jeez, bro, they're gonna make me want an M2 so bad right now, bro. They need to chill. A lot of people pulled up, as expected though, and I knew it was gonna be a lot of BMWs. And that's exactly what we're seeing, hella BMWs. We got a Dinan M3, what? That's crazy. I'm gonna say what's up to the homie Mark real quick. Another M3, another Supra. At least his headlights work, mine don't. All right, y'all, so we're here. Got the boy Mark right here with me. That's good. And this is pretty much his like co-host event with Dinan and his group, SCL Performance. He's doing his business venture with all his other homies as well, which is pretty dope. Yeah. But I'm gonna let Mark explain what's going on here today.
Yeah, what's up, guys? If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Mark. I brought my car as well, Austin Yellow, F80, big single turbo kit. We on the E88. But yeah, not to talk too much about my own stuff. We're really here for our brand SCL Performance. So shout out to my boy for pulling up. Thank you. Thanks for putting me in your vlog. But yeah, they're laying out all their newest parts because Dinan's making a huge comeback. If you guys don't know the brand, they're probably like the most prestigious like BMW collabed brand ever. It's crazy because if you had a Dinan car, like they would give you a badge. Like you can't buy their badge. You have to get it given to you by Dinan. So they got to check your stuff. They even kind of match. They do something with your VIN also, which is crazy. They'll get more into it, but yeah, it ups the value of your car, to be honest, which is crazy. But yeah, we got a bunch of new parts on the table over here. Obviously, our brand SCL Performance, we make our own carbon as well. So if you guys need anything for any of your BMWs, we're trying to get into the JDM market as well. So that's coming soon. But we really just started the brand maybe 3.5 months ago. And for all the love that's out here right now, it feels good, man. It feels really good. We're just getting started. Huge accomplishment with being collabed with Dinan as well. And yeah, everybody showed love. But we got our shop G80 with all of their newest, all their newest Dinan parts. So full carbon in the engine bay. All of this is from their newest catalog. Even the intake covers, super crazy. It's one piece, and you can see the cones underneath inside as well. So those are deep in there. But yeah, Dinan did all their carbon on the exterior. They also did a full exhaust too. So they make exhaust sound really good. You can either go catless or non-catless. But yeah, this one does have cats, and it looks really freaking good. They did also all their suspension parts too, like control arms and all that, sway bars and all that underneath. So this car is pretty done up. It's ready for the track, and that's what we're trying to get into next too. So just a little sneak peek, you know, we're gonna get into the track game too. So there'll be some track events that we pull up to, and hopefully you guys can too. Supras, hey, you know, like I said, we're trying to get into all the spaces. So yeah.
I love the E88s. I mean, I want a livery like this done. The livery is sick. The wheel finish is nice too. You can tell like this is more bronze. This looks a little bit more like of a lighter bronze. I don't know why. But yeah, this thing's sick. Very nice, very nice. I like the R34. Sheesh, my fault, pimp. The M3 CS on a fat tire. Damn, pretty clean, pretty clean. Yeah, the fat tire is nice. Fast boy. M4 with a fat tire, nice. Another fast boy. Shit, Spencer dog, Spencer dog. Yeah, man, we got a couple more BMWs. Probably give you guys more of a walk around because there is a lot of cars. Like not only this row, but there's like more on that side. Frozen white M3 right here. This thing is really clean. Yeah, this is nice. I like the wheel choice too, like that blue mag. That thing's clean. These wheels are nice too. I like those. M5 is clean too, bro. The big body. M2 CS. Damn, we saw one last time at the Supercar Sundays meet. We got one right here again. This guy's rich, bro. Rich. Bro, $100,000 car right here. Insane. Dealer plates, brand new too. All right. We got an M4, another F80. Shout out to Mark and his whole SCL group, you know. They're doing big things, bro. They're doing big things, you know. Huge congrats to them. Like a Porsche race car right here. Damn, dog, let me get this. This thing's sick. Got the Nürburgring map. I wonder if he did it. Did you do it? Did you do it or not? Damn, bro, the way you can see the engine right there. Bro, it's literally right behind you. It's literally right behind you. Holy shit, that is actually insane, bro. Imagine to work on this car. Oh, you probably gotta drop the whole engine, bro. GT Cup. Damn, this thing's sick though. Damn, imagine the maintenance on that shit. Oh, I would hate it. I would hate to work on that car. We got another F80. We got a Bupra. Damn, the fat tire. Welds all around. Fast boy for real, for real. Damn, I missed that setup. The stock bumper with that lip. It's like the way to go for if you have a stock bumper. Like that lip is just cherry on top. Then we got a Ferrari. I believe there's a 488. I could be completely wrong. I always mix them up, but it could be a 488. It says it on the dash up there, I know somewhere. I think it is. Am I right? Yep, it is. I'm right. 488. Very clean. Dealer plates. Bro, where y'all getting these dealer plates, bro? Let me get one. Let me have one, please. Then we got a Huracan right here. The Convert. All right, convertible. I'll see you. Lime green. Then we got a Z06. Okay, okay. This is C7. Yeah, C7. All right, big dog. All right. Damn, the Alpina, the big body. This thing is dummy clean. The HREs, this green is so nice. Look at this. Shit. Interior too. Looks all luxury. Looks like movie seat theaters, bro. Damn, this thing is nice. Baller as F. I like the little stripes it has. This is a baller. XB7. Clean, man, clean. I like. And the E40, or E36, I'm sorry. On the BBSs. Whew, E88 as well, just minis. They look small. Could be wrong though, but they look like E88s, they're just small. Very nice, very nice. I like this too. Triple chrome. Stocks. All right. G80. This color is really nice. Adro bumper. Yeah, this color is nice. I like the wheels too. The wheels are tough. It's like a matte flat silver, like a brushed silver. More G80s. We got an X-Drive. This green is nice. It's like a British racing green. Another E92 or E90, let's say. E92. We got the white on white. All the fast boys over here lined up and shit. Fast boys. Got the Honda Type R. All right. Damn, I love these, the Rega Masters. The Rega Masters are clean. I was thinking about getting them for the Supra, but I don't know. I don't know. Got an M2 single turbo. Okay. Shit, my fault, pimp. Damn, this thing's nice. I need an M2, bro. I want one. Frozen blue. That's a nice wrap. Clean, clean. Yeah, bro. Seeing all these M2s make me want one, but I don't know. They're just so expensive. I don't know if I could do an expensive ass M2 right now. I'm almost done paying off the Supra though. Almost done. So maybe we should just wait a little bit. Got another Bupra, fast boy as well. Damn. Got a G82 M340i. Damn, missed my M340i. I need to take a piss, but the bathrooms are closed. I don't know what time that area opens over there, but I need to take a leak, like really bad. And the real Supra, shitting on me, bro. That shit nice. Yo, this Turbo S is dummy clean. Like I heard it pulling in, and the turbos are just loud. You know he had a downpipe, and that thing was just whistling. They always sound so good when they're like catless downpipe. It just lets that turbo breathe. You got like a mint Tiffany blue Huracan. That's just right. Looks nice too. G82 single turbo fast boy. Damn, this could be me, but I'm playing. B58 single turbo. This could be me, but I'm playing. I just need money, bro. I just need money. That's it. If I had the money, I would have done it. But your boy is low on the funds. Let's go check out this fire Supra, bro. I don't know whose it is, but that shit is clean. Oh my gosh, bro. Whose is this? I need to know the owner, bro, because this thing's clean. This is fire, bro. My gosh. Matte milk tea on the championship white Workmeisters. Floating center caps. Full Adro kit. Damn. This guy's done it right. He's done it right, man. I need to find out the owner on this car. I'm funny, bro. F80 or E92. Nice. Or it could be a fake E92. Didn't look like it. Didn't have the badges. Now we have the other homie over here, and it's like Ferrari red F80. Yeah, this is like a Ferrari red wrap. I forgot what red he said it was, but it's like a Ferrari red. This shit is bright, bro. I don't think you guys can tell in person, but this shit is bright. I need to tell this fool, yo, where's that Pokemon card you've been flexing all like damn story that you post? He's been flexing this Pokemon card, and I think it's worth about like 16 G's. I think. I don't know. I have to ask him, but he's always flexing that shit. F80 in a red. Very nice, very nice. Clean, clean. Man, carbon-tastic, bro. This thing is clean. The aero discs. Another GT3 RS. Another one. Damn, this one's nice though. Look at fire. And then the other GT3 over there. Shit, it's more like a Nardo gray. More like a silver. They didn't have to flex on us like that, man. They were the RS3 though. Damn, this is nice. The RS3s low-key have been growing on me, bro. They're really nice cars. That's just nice. Just add like a lip on this thing and... All right, y'all, so we is back on the road now. So again, huge shout out to Mark for the invite to the meet. It was low-key a dope meet overall. Was just kicking it, talking to him, talking to the dining guy, like everybody. And bro, if you guys are going to Beamer Invasion, stay tuned because they're gonna pop out real crazy. That's all I'm gonna say. The pop out they're gonna have, insane. I don't think I've ever seen anyone do it, and it's gonna be pretty dope. So if you're going to Beamer Invasion, expect something crazy. You feel me? Because they about to pop out for the show. But yeah, we're headed home. It is hot, dude. It's 89, but it feels hotter than that. So I don't know. It's getting hot, but yeah, I want to get home and fix this damn headlight because this headlight is pissing me off. So when I get home, I'm gonna try to fix it. See if I can or not. Every time I say I fix it, it ends up like turning off, but it's annoying. So hopefully when I get home, it's all good and all that, but I'm gonna try. All right, fam, so we took a little detour stop. I got some coffee and I met up with the homie George. Yeah. And we got how we doing? Chilling. We got the Supra and the M340i right next to each other. Sheesh. This dude got a wash before he met up with me. I was so fucking hot. At least you got it done though. You just wiped it down?
Yeah. Not even, I just used the blower.
Yeah. It just still looks clean. Fuck. Mine looks clean, but if you get close to it and put your finger on it, that's just dusty. Trust me. It is dirty. The rear end dirty. Front brakes get my wheels dusty fast as F.
You don't want to tint the windshield?
Nah. I feel like that's the way like cops kind of leave me alone just because I have like, they could kind of see me. So I don't know.
Because that's just slow.
Maybe. Maybe. This guy has the same engine as me though. This is just a boat.
Hey, bro, it's a real BMW.
Chill. Fuck. He said it's a real BMW. He needs to chill, bro. You need to chill, bro. Fuck. F you. This is pissing me off. That's why I want to get a new wrap or just unwrap it because of that little thing. Like I don't have no more material, so I can't cover that. It's donezo. Yeah, my headlight's still fucked up, guys. I still haven't fixed it. I told you guys when I get home I'll fix it, but yeah, right now, I know. I literally FaceTime this dude every time, and I'm like fixing the headlight, and then it goes out. In the morning, it was working. Literally, when I turned on the car, it was working, and then it just went out. So
Buy a new one, bro.
it's not the headlight though. It's just the DRL. It's the light, the wiring, because it still works. It's just the wiring. It never ends, y'all. It never ends.
Get an M2.
Chill. I've been wanting one, but they're just so expensive, bro. I can't do it. Can't do it. All right, and I am now departing from the homie. Sheesh. Catch you later, man. Chill. Yeah, so we decided to get some coffee. I was like, he hit me up. Well, I actually hit him up because I was supposed to get a car wash with him, but then we didn't. He got it. I didn't. And we just met up for some coffee. But look, there's a whole R8 over here. Chill. All right, guys. Remember I told you I was going to fix the headlight? Well, I did. So, as you guys can see, I don't know why it looks almost different colors. This one looks a little darker. I don't know. Maybe I'm just tripping. Yeah, I'm just tripping. But yeah, we fixed the headlight. And, so far, it's working good. I literally just left the house to go film an Instagram reel, so the light didn't mess up. It is working so far, so that's a good thing because you guys know this thing causes me a headache. Like sometimes it'll work and sometimes it won't, so I'm crossing my fingers that tomorrow it'll work. I don't know, we'll see. Before we end the video, I did want to give a shout out to Mark and give him a little shout out real quick because I did buy one of his hats. A Never hat. This is his brand, and I like how the back says right here, never lose faith. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has a red brim. I am a hat guy. I have so many fitted hats, bro. You guys have no idea. This is a snapback, but I really like it, and I wanted to show support to the boys. So if you guys want a hat, I'm gonna leave his link in the description down below so you guys can go check one out. Pop one possibly. These things are so clean. I like it because it's like a black suede, and I'm a fan of the red brim. And I just like how it even says in the back, never lose faith. And then on the side right here, it says, I don't know if you guys can see that. It says, do what you love right there. Do what you love, which is pretty sick. Has some nice dope messages on it, which I really like. You guys are definitely gonna be seeing this on the channel a lot. I'm gonna be rocking it a lot. Again, link in the description if you guys do want one. And yeah, I'm gonna close out the video here, guys. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and be part of the family. And again, please like it. Please like the videos. You know, it goes a long way. It helps reach to other viewers. You know, so a like will go a long way. Even a subscribe if you guys are new. There you go. If you guys are new, hit the subscribe button. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit the like button, do all that thing for your boy. You feel me? But this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.
I hate a bitch that's hating on a bitch and they both hoes. I hate a nigga hating on them niggas and they both broke. If you ain't coming for no chili, what you come for? Nigga feel like he entitled cause he knew me since a kid. Bitch, I cut my